Creating a walkway in your garden or outdoor space is not just a functional addition, but also an opportunity to enhance the beauty and charm of your surroundings. Whether you're looking for a simple path to connect different areas of your yard or a grand entrance to your home, there are numerous walkway ideas to choose from. For instance, a traditional brick walkway offers a timeless look that complements both modern and classic landscapes. Alternatively, concrete pavers can be arranged in various patterns to create a contemporary feel. For those who prefer a more natural aesthetic, river rock or stepping stones set in a woodland garden can create a serene and rustic path. The design of your walkway should also consider the practical aspects, such as maintenance and navigation. Gravel walkways are easy to install and can be a cost-effective option, while stone pavers provide a more stable and permanent solution. Incorporating flower beds or rock features along the sides of the walkway can add color and interest, making the journey through your garden a delightful experience. For a more dramatic effect, consider lighting the path to ensure safety at night and to highlight the landscape's features. Personalizing your walkway to reflect your style and the architecture of your home can make it a standout feature. A circular landing with a cozy seating area or a recycled timber arbor at the entrance can create inviting spaces for relaxation and enjoyment. For those with a green thumb, a rose garden or desert-look walkway lined with unique and rare plants can be a living showcase of your gardening skills. No matter the choice, a well-designed walkway is a testament to your creativity and can significantly enhance the curb appeal of your property. Incorporating elements of nature into your walkway design can create a harmonious transition between the built and natural environments. For example, a meandering path that follows the natural contours of the land can invite a sense of exploration and surprise. Planting native grasses and wildflowers along the edges can attract wildlife and support local ecosystems. Additionally, using sustainable materials like reclaimed wood or permeable pavers not only looks beautiful but also helps manage rainwater runoff, making your walkway environmentally friendly. For those who enjoy a touch of whimsy, there are endless possibilities to infuse character into your walkway. Mosaic tiles with vibrant colors can be used to create intricate patterns or depict scenes from nature. Sculptural elements like a sundial or a water feature can serve as focal points along the path. Even functional elements such as benches or bird baths can be crafted from unusual materials or in unique shapes to add interest and utility to your walkway. Ultimately, the key is to design a path that not only serves its purpose, but also reflects your personal style and enhances the overall aesthetic of your outdoor space. Thank you for walking this path with us at Hopeful Decor. If these ideas have paved the way to inspiration for your next project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more creative decor insights, keep following Hopeful Decor. Until next time, keep designing your space with hope and creativity.